Updating your email address on Klarna is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the section labeled email or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email address, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to your new address. Follow any instructions in that email to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Klarna. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.